Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to learn Oppenauer oxidation. In this reaction, a secondary alcohol in the presence of aluminum triisopropoxide and excess of a ketone like acetone gets oxidized to ketone. This reaction is just opposite of Marvin-Pondorf-Verley reduction. This oxidation is not generally used for the oxidation of primary alcohols due to competing aldol condensation of formed aldehyde product. Mechanism of Oppenauer oxidation. Aluminum triisopropoxide is a Lewis acid while alcohol is a Lewis base. Attack of alcohol on aluminum of aluminum triisopropoxide followed by elimination of isopropoxide ion gives protonated alkoxy diisopropoxy aluminum and isopropoxide ion. Proton abstraction by isopropoxide ion gives isopropanol and alkoxy diisopropoxy aluminum. Acetone, which is in excess, then coordinates with aluminum like this to produce adduct that has very electrophilic carbonyl carbon of acetone due to partial positive charge on carbonyl oxygen. This facilitates hydride transfer from alkoxy group to acetone carbonyl via a six-membered cyclic transition state like this to produce ketone and regenerates triisopropoxy aluminum. Examples of Oppenauer oxidation. Pregnenolone, when oxidized under Oppenauer oxidation condition, produces progesterone. During this transformation, secondary alcohol gets oxidized to ketone and there is delocalization of double bond to make more stable conjugated system. Similarly, codeine, when oxidized under Oppenauer condition, produces codenone. Let's take an interesting example of this alpha hydroxy ketone. It has both the secondary alcohol and keto group. When it is treated with aluminum triisopropoxide in toluene, the secondary alcohol and keto group of the same molecule react together to produce isomeric alpha hydroxy ketone. Here we can see that there is just swapping of position of hydroxy and keto groups. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.